Welcome to the in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just hold and press for a while with your finger to the application and drag it to the another application. And as can you see, right now we got here the new folder. And just if you want to add one more application here, you can make it by the same way. Just hold and press for a while and drag it here to the folder, or also we can just tap here on the folder and here tap to the plus icon, and you can select, for example, one or more applications, and just now here on the right upper corner tap to the OK. And as can you see, we got here the our applications. If you want, you can also rename the app. Just tap here on the name and type your new name, tap to OK, and as can you see, we just now rename successfully our folder. Also, if you want, you can move on the screen or between the screens the folder. Just press and hold for a while and drag it to the section where you wanna take your folder. Also, you can just put it here, or you can turn it back. So if you want to just remove the applications from the app, you can make it by this way. Just open the folder, press for a while, and you can move it here, for example, to the screen, or you can just tap here on the plus and here tap to the checkbox. And as can you see, we just get here the two applications in our folder. Or we can also just do by this way, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.